Don't let culture steal your kids' attention, time, smiles, faith, and future. We have a serious problem. Our kids are addicted to their phones, and it's making them sad, anxious, lonely, and distracted. We see issues of self-harm, body image, gender confusion, cyberbullying. As a parent, it can feel overwhelming to know even where to start, or even what will make a difference. You are not alone in feeling this way. But as parents, we have to go enough is enough. And I'm here to help, and that's why I've created Refresh, which is an online course for parents to help you know step-by-step what to do around smartphones and social media, building healthy habits, boundaries, limits, principles that will set your family free. Because I believe this is the #1 parenting issue facing the next generation, because everything is related to our devices and our social media. This will be a judgment-free zone where it doesn't matter what you have or haven't done up until this point, everything can change moving forward. If you put these principles into practice, this will be a game changer for you personally, your kids, and your family. Today's culture is lying to our kids, and it's taking a toll. You can't do everything, but you must do something. We must fight for the hearts and minds of our kids. As a Christian mom or dad, you want your kids to follow Jesus for a lifetime, and one of the main things undermining that today is the amount of time our children are spending on their devices, smartphones, and social media. I'm here to help you take the guesswork out of what will actually make a difference in your kids' lives and empower them to navigate their digital universe. I've dug into the latest research and trends and anchored these principles in a biblical worldview. When you buy this course, you'll have lifetime access, which means you'll have the ability to come back to these videos and watch them over and over again. You'll also get exclusive access to an online Q&A with me answering questions from parents and be able to ask your questions about what's working and what's not. Refresh is a practical online course which will help you navigate your kids, tweens, and teens' smartphones and social media. You can create a new normal. Other parents have. I'm here to help. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today.